Hi there. Today I'm going to show you the Dimension CM Eclipse plugin installation and integration with Dimension CM 14.4. As you can see here, I already have Eclipse Helios already installed. And all I'm going to do now is show you how to integrate Eclipse installation, the Dimension CM for Eclipse installation with Dimension CM 14.4 so that we can use Eclipse. I'm going to go ahead and as you can see here, I have my Eclipse folder, and this is the one I downloaded and I have installed it from our support website. I'm going to just go through the motion of showing you what it looks like. I've already installed it, but I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. So I'm running the executable right now. I'm going to go through this step and I'm accept the license agreement, and I'm going to do a typical Eclipse plugin installation. So I'm going to just take the default and click next. This looks good. I can change the default folder if I want. I'm going to click next. And this is the key. This is asking me where the Eclipse product itself is. So for this Eclipse integration to work, it needs to know where Eclipse is installed. I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to go to the folder which has my Eclipse installation right here. And I'm going to click on this and just say open. And that's it. Now it knows where it is. And I'm going to click install, and it's going to give me the screen. And if I click on install, it's going to go ahead and install the Eclipse integration. Since I've already installed it, I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. Okay, I'm going to open my Eclipse installation that I have, and I'm going to just use this, the workspace, and I'm going to click OK. It's going to basically come up with this screen. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and go to Windows, and I'm going to go ahead and Preferences. I want to make sure I see dimensions and it's set up, and I can see dimensions, and I can see it's all. I'm going to go ahead and open the Dimension CM perspective so that you can go ahead and then create a connections to dimension. And this way, as you can see, it'll show me the correct perspective. And as you see, there says there's no open connection. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and create a new connection. Now, this is the critical thing. You want to make sure you put in everything correctly as you connect to Dimension CM. And I'm going to go ahead and just open my desktop client, and I'm just going to copy and paste the information so I don't have to worry about typing it in. Copy this, and I'm going to put my user ID and password, and I'm all done here. And I need to give it a name. I'll just say Kris connection. Eclipse installation, and that's the reason now I can just create a new project, new request, anything I want. If I want to create a new request, I go in here. I just want to show you something cool here. You can also connect directly to Pulse views, and I can see my Dimension CM Pulse right here. And it's going to show me my requests. I believe I have like 28 requests, and I can click on it. This is just exactly the Pulse view. I can do everything here. As you can see, I have everything here. So this introduction on how to install Eclipse, how to install the Eclipse, integrate with Dimension CM, log into Eclipse using Dimension, and also how to log in Pulse.